Thank you for joining me today. This is Whitney with the Yoga Art Space Studio, and today's meditation is a meditation on all of the seed sounds for all of the chakras. I'll give you mostly an example of what this meditation could look like. You're welcome to follow me along with me as your meditation if that's the most helpful, or you can use this as an example. It won't be too long, and follow through what naturally comes up for the pitches and the frequencies and the duration and the notes that you choose for all of the different seed sounds. The way that I'll do this is I'm going to pick a note and use the seed sound name, and I'm going to repeat each of the seed sounds 5 times, almost like I'm dinging a bell and letting it ding for a little while. So do 5 times with 5 breaths, and then I'll take a little pause in between for a few rounds of breath. And as I'm taking that pause, I'm feeling in, checking in with that chakra, and allowing myself to imagine that the sound was able to travel all the way down to that area of the body, and in that way able to bring that area into greater health just by naming its beautiful seed sound. And so we begin with a nice tall comfortable posture where all the chakras are stacked upright. Take a deep breath in and visualize the root chakra, glowing red orb. As we repeat the name Lam 5 times, we imagine the vibrations traveling all the way down there. Lam. 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 Lum. Lum. Sacral Chakra, beautiful orange globe, receiving the following vibrations of Vam. 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 Solar Plexus Chakra, yellow globe. Rum. It's a rum sound. Rum. 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 The heart, green globe. Yum is the seed sound. Yum. 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 Throat chakra, light turquoise blue color. Hum. 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 Third eye chakra, darker blue color. Om. 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 Crown chakra, purple color. Also the sound Om. Now allow yourself a few more minutes if you have the time to just sit as the body continues to resonate with the vibrations, the various sounds we ringed into the chakras. Thank you for joining me. May we continue to be filled with light and happiness and peace. Namaste.